So we have to find the value of H for which it spans these vectors which are given here, the set of vectors. So we want to find the value of H for which this vector, it spans this set of all these vectors. So we basically split it by saying C1 multiplied by the vector which is in the set, plus C2 multiplied by the vector in the set, plus C3 multiplied by the vector is equals to negative 3, H, negative 5, and 5. So we make a matrix out of the vectors, which is vector 1, that is the vector. Vector 2, that's the corresponding vector. Vector 3, that is the corresponding vector. Multiplied by C1, C2, C3 is equal to the span of that matrix, which we are looking for H. So we know we can reduce this into an augmented matrix, whereby we put a line here, then we make operations on this augmented matrix until we find the reduced row echelon form on the left hand side, so that we're able to solve for the values of C1, C2, and C3, so that we're able to find the value of H.